Wow! Your train looks great! Let's set off! There's a break in the track up ahead. Let's fix the track. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get up. Hi! Hi! Here is my train ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Let's find them out. Hammer. Scissors. Thank you. Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Knife. Firecrackers. Thank you. Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Firecrackers. Scissors. Thank you. Keep going. Some sheep are on the train track. Let's drive them away. Good job. Let's continue on our way. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the... We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods onto the train. Good job. Let's continue on our way. Let's head for the next station. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get off the train. Hi! Stamp the train ticket. At the inspection station. The train is dirty. Let's give it a good clean. Awesome! Let's keep going. Let's continue on our journey. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get... We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get off the train. Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, baby bus little train. Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, baby bus little train. Going. There's a suspension bridge up ahead. Let's lower the bridge.